Hello everyone, I am Paras and today's video about real number. What is the real number? Real numbers are the number which can plotted or you can find on the number line. All those number called the real number. Let's see. See, if you see that number, all the positive numbers called the natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay, if you include the 0 in a positive numbers, so 0 and all the positive number, those numbers called the whole numbers. Okay, now if you include the all positive numbers, 0 and all the whole negative numbers, okay, all the positive, negative and 0, if you add them all together, then those numbers called the integers. So we sometimes say the positive integers and negative integers, but yes, integers itself tell you all number will come positive and negative, but not a decimal number. Okay, when any numbers, decimal numbers or a fraction number, those number we call the rational numbers. Example for, let's say here, minus 2.5. That is the irrational number. Let's say here, half means 0.5, or you can write in a fraction form half. Those numbers and also these positive numbers, 0 and all negative number, all included we call the rational numbers. Okay, so rational number means all positive numbers, I write the symbol for the numbers, all negative numbers, and 0 and fraction or a decimal numbers. Okay, so but fraction, decimal, what type of the decimal? Terminating decimal only. Non-terminating decimal we are not considered as a rational number. So I supposed to write the terminating decimal number. So let me write here down. Terminating decimal numbers. These are all comes in a rational number. These are the part of the rational number. Okay, what comes in the irrational numbers? Irrational numbers, that numbers, the number which cannot write in a p by q form, means we cannot write in a fraction form, those number called the irrational number. Rational number can written in a p by q form, where p and q is any integers, positive or negative integers. Let's say example for, let's say here 2 by 5 or 17 by 15 or negative 3 by 7. These are okay. Terminating decimal number, you can take the 0.25 or 0.7 or any terminating decimal. That decimal number, terminating decimal number means that number can eventually stop, it not go on and on. That is called the terminating decimal number. And if decimal number is a terminating, then yes, it is a rational number. So all positive numbers. So as you know, positive number 1, 2, 3, 4 go on and on. Negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2 and go on and on. 0, yes, obviously everyone know. So rational number means all positive number, all negative numbers, 0, all type of the fractions, and terminating decimal number. Terminating decimal number, as you know, the number, decimal number which can stop eventually, it not go on and on. What is the irrational number? Okay, irrational number means non-terminating decimal number first. Terminating decimal numbers. Okay, so non-terminating decimal number means, example for, let's say 7.56731 and go on and on. It's write the 3 dot dot means it's not stop, it's go on and on. So this is the irrational numbers. Okay, also if any root number, okay, but make sure if you write the any square number in a root, example for let's say root 4 or root 25, if I write the answer for root 4, that gives me answer 2, or for 25 that gives me answer 5. So this is the whole number, this is the positive numbers, so this is not a irrational number, these are becomes the rational number, because if you solve it, that gives you whole number answer. So this will not consider as a irrational number, those numbers are a rational number. But square root number and inside the root number cannot be a square number, remember that. So square root of 2, let's say if we try to get the answer, then answer give us 1.41421 and so on and on. So obviously this is non-terminating decimal number, so this is the irrational number. Okay, pi value also non-terminating decimal number, because pi value is a 3.14 and go on and on. If you try, that goes on and on and on. So these all number called the irrational number. Let's we see this real number by the diagram. So in a diagram, if you see the big circle, that is let's say real number. So all numbers, rational and irrational numbers come in this circle. Let's say for the irrational number, this green circle for the irrational number and irrational numbers. And irrational number, let's write the 2 examples, square root of 2 and let's say 7.346, go on and on. Okay, that's supposed to not go outside, so let me recorrect it. Okay, and here 5.341 and go on and on. This is the irrational number. Okay, let's see about the rational number. So rational number circle, let's draw it here. Okay, let's me start with the smaller circle so that give me a clear idea. So first let's say natural numbers, and short form for the natural numbers are n. Okay, and what is our natural numbers? All positive numbers, right? 1, 2, 3 and go on and on. Okay, what is the short form for the irrational number? The short form for the irrational number is a p. Okay, now the whole number. In a whole number, all positive number and also 0 when you include in a all positive number, those number called the whole number. Now in a whole numbers, all positive numbers, 0 and also all the negative whole numbers, if you include, then this number calls the integers. Okay, and short form for the integers are z. Okay, you can write in a short form z. Okay, and rational number. So rational numbers, all positive numbers, 0, all negative number and also fraction or decimal, terminating decimal. So let's we write the fraction 5 over 11, 6 over 9, sorry, I supposed to write simplest fraction. So let's say 3 over 5, decimal number 0.9. So these are all the rational numbers. So rational number means all positive numbers, 0, all negative numbers and fraction or terminating decimal number. Those numbers comes in a rational number. And short form for the rational number is the Q. So real number in a real numbers diagram, R is a short form for the real numbers, Q is a short form for the rational numbers, Z short form for the integers, W is a short form for the whole number, and N is a short form for the natural number, and P, or sometimes they write the Q dash, that is the short form for the irrational number. So thank you for watching, and all this about the real number. Thank you for watching.